Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Under Armour. This is ticker UA, and I want you to keep an eye on this chart and not let it fly under your radar because it is printing some pretty tight price action. You can see here since its earnings, it's just really kind of been going sideways, building a nice sideways base of consolidation. Now, so far, this base has lasted about 30 days. And so I want to keep an eye on this stock because I like the fact that it's holding up in trend above all these moving averages. And even in the market volatility, didn't once close below its 21-day exponential period moving average, which is the gray line here. Now, with gyms opening up and summertime coming, there might be a reflationary trade with Under Armour. So I see some clearly defined levels of resistance right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, and it's close to that level now. So I want to see this stock get above and stay above 1960 and do it on higher than average volume. So I'm going to set an alert right there for about a month or so and wait for it to trigger. I want to see it get above, stay above, and do it on volume. So there's a ticker to add to your watch list, and we'll see how this plays out. If this video is helpful, give me a follow on Twitter at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.